Think of the last film that hit you hard. A film that made you feel inspired.
Did you catch the opening clip? It looked like a movie trailer, didn't it? Now, what if I told you that you can create something just like that yourself, right at home? Sounds pretty amazing, right? Hey everyone, I'm Hamza. Welcome back to the channel. Like me, you've probably tried a bunch of AI video tools. We've all seen amazing AI videos and wanted to create our own. But after hours of prompting and burning through credits, the results are often disappointing. It's frustrating, expensive, and takes the fun out of it. I almost gave up on AI video myself until I discovered the tool I'm sharing today. It's called Higgsfield. In this video, I'll show you how to stop relying on trial and error and start creating with confidence. The biggest problem I see, and I used to do this too, is jumping between different AI video tools. One day you're using one platform for a specific model, the next you're paying for another because of a video you saw online. Your workflow gets messy, your projects are all over the place, and your wallet definitely feels it. What really sold me on Higgsfield is that everything is in one place. Think of it as a single hub. Instead of paying for several platforms, you get access to top models like Kling 3.0 and Seedance 2.0 with just one subscription. For someone like me, that's a huge advantage. I don't want to manage multiple accounts. I just want to sign in, choose the right model, and start creating. And since Higgsfield keeps bringing in the newest models as they're released, you're always working with the latest technology. Most of the time, creating AI images or videos feels like pure luck. You describe what you want and hope the AI understands your idea. But more often than not, it misses the point. You ask for a slow push in and somehow it gives you a zoom instead. But with Cinema Studio, you're in full control. The interface is easy to use. You can choose a horror or comedy look, pick camera moves like zoom in or tilt up, and even apply different speed ramps with a single click. The camera follows my instructions exactly. Every shot feels smooth and realistic, the motion is clean, and there aren't any strange AI artifacts. It's great for creators who aren't professionals. I used to spend forever describing camera movements in prompts, but now I simply adjust everything visually. The whole experience is so much more satisfying. From now on, I'd recommend avoiding text to video as your starting point. If all you enter is a girl walking through a park, the AI has to create the character, the location, the lighting, and the motion at the same time. That's why the face often changes from frame to frame. A better approach with Higgsfield is to begin with a strong image. I usually create my main reference either inside Higgsfield or in Midjourney, then import it here to animate. Just compare the results. On the left is the text-to-video version. On the right, the character stays remarkably consistent. Her face remains the same, her outfit doesn't change, and the AI only has to generate the movement. If you've been watching this and thinking, maybe I could do that too, the answer is yes. Next, I'll show you the final and most powerful feature. And trust me, you're going to be impressed. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm Hamza, and I'm here to find AI tools that truly help us save time. Most AI videos end up feeling like a series of disconnected clips, but a great video has smooth flow. Higgsfield lets you define both a start frame and an end frame. Instead of simply asking the AI to animate an image, you're telling it to begin with this close-up of the character's eye and finish with this wide shot of the entire city. It then creates the smoothest transition between those two frames. That's how you make cinematic sequences that leave people asking, whoa, wait, was this really created with AI? It's all about being intentional. You're not just using the tool, you're designing your own visual world. AI video is no longer just about luck. It's a skill, and Higgsfield is making it easier for everyone to learn. Whether you're a professional or a complete beginner, all you need is the right tool and a little curiosity. I've shown you the process, now it's your turn. Click the link below and let's start creating together. I'm Hamza. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.